extra special ketchup. It's a delicious topping on anything that you pull off of a grill. But is it safe to microwave? I mean, no one wants cold ketchup on their burger. It'll just cool things off. Why not heat it up first? You can't stick these on the grill. How would you pull them out? Maybe you could microwave them though. Let's find out. Here at the Jory Karen Laboratory, we have a tinfoil shield to protect our junk. No one likes fried junk. We also have a proper ventilation system so we don't kill ourselves. Here's the microwave. It's sharp. Inside are 3 ketchup packets. Now there's 5. Let's close it. How long do you think we should put them in there for?
1 minute.
1 minute. Sounds like a good idea. And there it goes. Nice.
Whoa, look out. Okay, fire. Look out, look out. That looks bad.
You want me to turn it off?
There's a fire in the microwave.
Woo. There's no fire in the microwave. It is just plasma
awesome.
burning.
That was awesome. It was
But it now smells in here.
Oh, it smells of ketchup. Is the ventilation system working properly?
Well, should we open the microwave? I say we should. My God, it's burnt ketchup. Who would have thought? And it isn't even warm. It's still cold. Son of a bitch. Well, is it safe to microwave ketchup? Absolutely not. Under no circumstances should you microwave ketchup, except for visual pleasure. So, thanks for joining me. I'm Jory Karen on, is that a good idea to microwave? In this case, no, it wasn't.